tavern there near Mather Campground and had a nice dinner together. Got up this morning. I had some early meetings and spent this morning working at the campsite until we checked out at 11, and then went to Flagstaff. Now we're heading to Horseshoe Bend, and then after that we're gonna go up to Zion and do some camping tonight on some BLM land there. I think we're gonna try and get a site near Hurricane Cliffs. So we're pretty excited about that, but we will show you guys Horseshoe Bend soon. Heading into Page now. You can see the canyon over there, and Horseshoe Bend is just right up here on our left.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Have fun. You too. Thanks. You too. You have fun too. It's so awkward. It's okay. Whoa, this is not good parking.
Actually, it's gonna be good if you pull. Keep pulling up. Keep pulling up.
I can't. I gotta straighten up.
Back straight out. Straight. Nope. Straight. You did it.
Oh my gosh.
Short little hike to Horseshoe Bend. Can't wait to see it. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
We've been to Horseshoe Bend before, but only to the bottom. We actually rafted through Horseshoe Bend, and so this will be the first time seeing it from the edge. It's gonna be pretty cool. Imagine like walking through this desert. You're like, oh, it's just a flat desert. And then come up to this and you're like, how the heck am I supposed to get across that?
Jump. Jump across. Nice pathway.
And that is a wrap at Horseshoe Bend. Super cool view. Definitely worth seeing once. It's just insane how big the U-turn of the river is. It's almost like you can't even imagine like how big it is, because everything down there just looks so small. And it's cool to see the start of kind of where the canyon starts to get crazy going towards the Grand Canyon. We'll visit. All right, now we're gonna hike back to the car, and then we'll be heading to Zion. See you there.
Oh wow.
There's the dam. Canyon on that side. I think that's Lake Powell, just north of us there.
Driving into the BLM land in Utah.
Yep, doing our first off-roading.
It's very bumpy and loud.
We're at the last night we came into our BLM campsite here at Hurricane Cliffs Recreation Area, just west of Zion, and the campsite is super cool. You can see there's some other campers and vans and people in tents around, and we stayed here with our friends Mitchell and Lydia, and it was really fun. Where the campsites are pretty spread out, so you kind of feel like you're by yourself a little bit. We were able to have a fire in the fire ring last night. Georgiana and I slept super well in the van. I think Mitchell and Lydia got a bit colder in the tent. All in all, was a good night. We were able to get up and catch the sunrise this morning, and then now I think we're gonna go ahead and head up to a coffee shop, get some work done. Georgiana's cleaning off the rug. We're about to put our chairs back in the van, doing a little organizing. So all in all, a really good morning. But man, this campsite is super pretty. Zion is just over there, so we'll head to Zion pretty soon. Georgiana is the responsible one who keeps the floor clean, although your shoes are tracking a lot of dust in there right now.
I bet.
I can see your feet prints.
That doesn't really work, does it?
Looks like it's working. Although you're just getting dust back in when you step back in. All right, see you guys at the coffee shop. Maybe, if we remember to film.